dear students. This is Mrs. Pavitra Ashok. Welcome back to English class. In this session, we'll understand the poem The Bees, written by William Shakespeare. Let's know about the poet. William Shakespeare was an English playwright, poet, and actor widely regarded as the greatest writer in the English language and the world's greatest dramatist. He is often called England's national poet and the Bard of Avon. His extant works, including collaborations, consist of some 39 plays, 154 sonnets, 3 long narrative poems, and a few other verses, some of the uncertain authorship. He was born on April 26, 1564, United Kingdom. The most notable poems are Shall I Compare Thee to a Summer's Day, Sonnet 116, Sonnet 130, Venus and Adonis, and many more. The most notable plays are A Midsummer Night's Dream in the year 1595, Romeo and Juliet in 1597, Hamlet in 1603, Macbeth in 1606, The Tempest in 1623, and many more. He died on April 23, 1616, United Kingdom. Please open your textbook, students. Pre-reading task. Have you tasted honey? I hope you all have tasted honey. How do bees collect honey? Students, do you know how do bees collect honey? Exactly. Honeybees gather nectar from flowers. Then how do honeybees gather nectar? Yes, they suck the nectar through their long tube-like parts of the mouth from the flowers and store it in their honey sac and carry it to the beehive. You must have seen the bees sitting on the flowers, going from flower to flower. They suck the nectar and store it in the hive. Now read this poem and make a list of the unique qualities of the busy bee which the poet describes. Students, I am going to read the poem The Bees. Please follow as I read. So were the honeybees. Creatures that by a rule in nature teach. The art of order to a peopled kingdom. They have a king and officers of sorts. Where some, like magistrates, correct at home. Others, like merchants, venture trade abroad. Others, like soldiers, armed in their states. Make a boot upon the summer's velvet birds. Which pillage they with merry mirth bring home. To the tent royal of their emperor. who busied in his majesty's service. The singing of masons building roofs of gold. The civil citizens kneading up the honey. The poor mechanic porters crowding in. Their heavy burdens at his narrow gate. The sad-eyed justice with his surly hum. Delivering over to executors' pay. The lazy yawning drone. Dear students, I will explain the poem The Bees in the next session. Now, I am going to end up this session. Bye for now. Thank you. Have a nice day.